Hi, this is Antara Mitra and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
You've taken classical training as well?
Yes, when I was in Kolkata. Actually, I'm born in a very musical family. My dad himself is a music teacher.
Almost gave a medical entrance exam.
Almost gave a medical
and
exam.
went for Indian Idol.
And almost.
Very filmy story as well.
Very filmy. And everybody kept asking the same question. I said, good only, na, that I never become a doctor. Just imagine how boring a doctor I would have become.
Right.
So good only that I'm a singer, not a doctor.
Correct.
So yeah.
We're not complaining actually.
Yeah, please don't.
We're not complaining at all.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm born in a musical family, but never thought of taking music as a profession. But yes, when I started singing at a very young age, my mom actually noticed that I could sing in Sur. So, she asked my dad that please give her some training. And as usual, I used to never sit with dad because I used to take dad for extremely for granted. That no, I'm not going to sit with you and do Saregama, please. So, dad decided that let's put her in some serious class where she will go and learn. So I learned Indian classical for almost 11 years.
Great.
When I was very young, from then to 12th standard.
And you've done Indian Idol after that, and
yes.
That's when you just came into. But you went back to Kolkata after Indian Idol, and you came back after that.
Yeah, I went back because I got eliminated. So where will I stay here? I went back to Kolkata. But I very soon after Indian Idol, I actually moved. I didn't take much time to move.
Right.
So very soon I moved.
You sang your first song with Sonu Nigam, who was your judge earlier.
I sang my first song with Sonu Nigam. When it came out, then only I came to know about it. The duet is with Sonu ji. I was very thrilled. Though the film didn't do much well.
Speed.
Yeah, speed. And the song also didn't do too well. But that dream had always of singing with Sonu ji had come true by then.
Bilkul.
So.
You're having Itni Si Baat in Azhar.
Yeah.
So how's been that experience?
Yes, so Itni Si Baat Hai was out and out a male song. They never thought about keeping a female portion in it at all. Then when the song, in the process of the song making, they made the song and almost done with the song. One day Pritam Da, as usual, we all know about his sudden calls, inner callings from God or somewhere, I don't know. So he came out of his room and said that, I think is गाने में female portion भी होना चाहिए. And everybody is like, Dada, please, the song is already done. Now don't please try and put something new, we have to again work on it. And everybody was by then used to it, the male version, obviously. It is completely Arijit Singh's song. So Dada said, no, I think some female portion should come, otherwise it's कुछ खाली खाली लग रहा है मुझे. And we all trust his judgment always because he is never wrong. So he composed it. It's a beautifully composed portion. And then he asked me कि एक बार गा के देख कैसा लग रहा है female voice में. So I sang it, and it was quite hard to make the makers understand that no, this female portion is needed. But Dada charm worked, and they was like, okay, ठीक है, convinced कि चलो female portion भी एक छोटा सा रखते हैं इसमें.
Right.
But when the song eventually came out with the whole thing, we were all like, Dada, hats off to you. This is sounding much better than what it was sounding before. I was like,
so let's hear what Dada saw that no one else saw.
Yeah. एक तुम, एक मैं, तीजा, मांगो क्या खुदा से, दिल दूं, जादू, क्या दूं, इतना बता दे, तेरा, मेरा रिश्ता है, सांसों से भी नाजुक. तुम सा हम सा दूजा ना होगा ना हुआ रे दो दिल सा एक सीने में है जैसे मैं और तुम अब दोनों हम एक जीने में है जैसे मैं और तुम जैसे ज्यादा चाहा तुमको प्यारे हर पल हर दम हमदम खुद को जिया रे चलो जी आज साफ साफ कहती हूँ इतनी सी बात है मुझे तुमसे प्यार है चलो जी आज साफ साफ सा कहती हूँ.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Fantastic.